Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join Zoom meeting on your phone, adding Zoom meeting on mobile phone. So this is step by step. So you can install the Zoom meeting if you don't have or become Zoom Workplace today. After that, if your boss give you the link, you can just tap the link and the link will be directly into your Zoom app and then you can start meeting. So, but if you are become administrator, you just can start meeting here and you can turn on personal meeting if that like exclusive or privacy. Just tap start meeting here. And as you can see, the participant is only me. If you tap it, you can invite someone here by tap on invite, and you can WhatsApp messages or Gmail or invite Zoom by contact or just copy invite link here. So you can share to other non-participants to join your meeting. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And circle the text button below. See you in the next video.